Hey guys, this is Michael here with Original Detailing. Today we have this Mercedes-Benz leather seats, and we're gonna be cleaning those seats using our leather cleaner, and then we're also going to be using our leather conditioner to restore and making sure that this leather is nice and soft. We're also going to be using this soft brush. We're gonna be using some microfiber towels and then an applicator. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to spray leather cleaner on your brush. A few sprays. Now that our brush is nice and primed, we're gonna go ahead and start agitating the product. And I don't know if you guys see on camera, but it already shows an amazing improvement. A little bit more. Start scrubbing. You might not see on camera, but I'm gonna show you with the microfiber towel that I'm using. I'm gonna grab the towel. I'm gonna show you. Everything is here. Now, everything that was here, it's now on your microfiber towel. We're gonna keep on working on this. A little bit more product. Keep scrubbing. I'm just gonna wipe one more time. Let's put the conditioner here. A little bit more product. Keep working on it. Your soft brush is not going to do any damage on your leather, so you can feel free to scrub, put some work into it. Keep removing all that dirt. There we go. A little bit more. You can spray directly if you want, just to agitate a little bit better. See? Nice and easy. Very simple steps to clean your leather. So if you haven't cleaned your leather, this is an easy and fast way to do it. See? Gonna grab a microfiber towel again. Start wiping. Now before I give you and show you the results, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna condition the leather, because what you're doing right now is you're cleaning your leather. The leather is getting all nice and dry, but you wanna condition that leather, making sure that it's nice and protected. Conditioning and protection. Here we go. One more wipe over here with the clean side. Nice and clean side. Okay, here we go. Let's put this over here. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our leather conditioner treatment. Gonna open the bottle, and then we're gonna use our premium applicator. See, just few drops. Now if you see, this leather has perforation holes, so we're gonna go ahead and try to spread or prime or premium microfiber applicator. So here we go. Then nicely start massaging your leather, just like that. Our microfiber applicator is gonna allow us to condition the leather without hurting your leather. See? Doesn't do any damage because it's all premium microfibers. Now, the good thing about this applicator is that you can stick your hand right here and it doesn't fall. See? Nice and easy. Very good grip. Feels very good and nice. Now that everything is nice and done, I'm gonna show you the amazing results. Okay? Go ahead, guys. Now there you go, guys. You see the before and after. If you guys have any questions, please give us a comment down below. I'll see you guys here.